All right, guys, just want to do a quick review on my SainSmart Cordless Electric Screwdriver, which is this one right here. I'm just going to start off with the toolbox. Very, very cool, very, very handy. Go with this one right here. 32 bits, 8 sockets, the extension rod right here, which does come in handy. And then the screwdriver itself. Very, very cool. It's very handy. This is one of the cool features I like, that you can turn it like this as well. Get it going this way as well. Put it back. It is magnetic, so I'll just put it right here and it locks in place and is ready to go. I'm about to attach a video so you can see it in action. And here is the electric screwdriver in action, helping me put together this piece of fitness equipment. Was way better to use than I would have over a drill. So again, very, very handy to have. Like I said, if you're looking for a cordless electric screwdriver, this is one that I would recommend by SainSmart. Definitely a 10 out of 10.